Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video I will show you how you can create a swipe motion like this in Canva. First we will go to elements and we will choose a circle here. Now we will go to uploads and these are the images which we will use here. We will remove the background of these images and put it here in the center. Now choose this one, remove the back, decrease the size and remove the background, rotate it and put it in the right side. Now choose the next one, remove the background and decrease the size, rotate it, bring it in the middle of the left side. Now we will select the circle and decrease the transparency to 0. Select all these and make it group. Now go to share button and download it as a PNG and increase the size, transparent background and download it. Now we will upload it to the Canva. Now we will change the color of the background and select the text. We will type yellow. Change the color of this text into white and change the font also. I will choose this one, increase the size little bit and put it here. Now we will duplicate it and type pink and rotate it. Now we will again duplicate it and type purple and bring it to now we need an opposite text. So what we will do, we will add an page. We will type blue here. We will change the color of this into white and change the font also. Increase the size little bit and download it as a PNG with transparent background. Increase the size. Now we will upload this blue text. We will go to the first page and we will bring this blue text here. Please make it bigger. What we will do to make it opposite, first we will flip it vertical and flip horizontal and we will bring this here, delete these images and now we will download this text as a PNG, increase the size and with transparent background. Again we will upload it to the Canva. Now we will bring this image here and increase the size of this, put it here. Change the color of this page into yellow. Now we will bring the text, also increase the size and put it here. And now we will add another page. Select the image and rotate it. Again we will select the text, rotate it, and put it here, and choose the color of this into pink. Now we will add another. Now what we will do, we will choose the transition, match and move, apply to all the pages, and we will decrease the size of all the pages 2.5 between all the pages. Now we will play this animation and how it looks like, animation, and see how it looks like. So this is how you can create. If you want more Canva animation tutorial like this, tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.